Hello everyone, today we will learn about chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation, which is chapter number 5 in 12th class Biology NCERT book. In today's video, we will learn about mutations and genetic disorders, chromosomal disorders and Mendelian disorders. Let's start it. Mutation. Mutation is defined as change in DNA sequence, and it is a inheritable change get passed on to the next generation from the parents. It affects the genotype as well as phenotype of an individual, and mutation forms the basis of variation, and it also lead to evolution and speciation. Now, types of mutation, there are mainly two types of mutations. One is point mutation, other one is frame shift mutations. Mutations which occur due to change in single base pair are said to be point mutation, and sickle cell anemia is a disorder which takes place due to point mutation. Here you can see in this diagram there is a base pair GC which get mutated to the base pair AT. Here in one of the strand of DNA जहाँ पर बेटे G है, अगर यहाँ कोई म्यूटेशन आ जाए और यहाँ पर G की जगह पर A आ जाएगा अगर, तो जो DNA का दूसरा स्ट्रैंड होगा वहाँ पर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंटारिटी उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग A के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग T आएगा, नॉट C. तो सच टाइप ऑफ म्यूटेशन इज द पॉइंट म्यूटेशन. नाउ frame shift mutation, when there is deletion or insertion of a base pair of DNA, it results in shifting of frame, or also known as frame shift mutation. As you can see in this diagram, there is a sequence ATG, GAA, GCA and CTG. This is the sequence of mRNA in which here it is a sequence of DNA, not RNA, because RNA में बेटे U होता है. Then ATG code for methionine, then GAA code for glutamic acid, GCA code for alanine, CGT code for glycine. जो नीचे लिख रखे हैं methionine, glutamic acid, alanine and glycine, these are the amino acids. DNA सबसे पहले RNA बनाता है, and RNA will form proteins, और proteins का जो basic unit है that is amino acids. आपने ये एक चैप्टर था मॉलिकुलर बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस, उसमें ये पढ़ रखा है जेनेटिक कोड, कि जेनेटिक कोड का जो सीक्वेंस है ट्रिपलेट नेचर है कोडोन की, एंड दैट विल कोड फॉर वन अमीनो एसिड. तो तीन जो बेस हैं ATG, ये एक अमीनो एसिड के लिए कोड कर रहे हैं, दैट इज मिथ्योनिन, GAA ग्लूटामिक एसिड, GCA एलानिन एंड CGT ग्लाइसिन. अब फ्रेम शिफ्ट म्यूटेशन हुई, जो G है वो यहाँ से डिलीट हो चुका है. अब सीक्वेंस हमने इसको पढ़ना तो ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म में ही है, तो सीक्वेंस क्या हो जाएगा ATG, देन AAG, AA के साथ नेक्स्ट G आ जाएगा. हियर यू कैन सी AAG, देन CAC एंड देन GT. दिस ATG विल कोड फॉर मिथ्योनिन, AAG विल कोड फॉर लाइसिन एंड CAC विल कोड फॉर हिस्टिडाइन. तो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्रेम शिफ्ट म्यूटेशन, जिसके कारण से फ्रेम डिलीशन हुई और जो कोडोन ट्रिपलेट कोडोन का जो रीडिंग फ्रेम है दैट इज शिफ्टेड फॉरवर्ड. नाउ द केमिकल्स विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कॉजिंग म्यूटेशन आर नोन एज म्यूटाजेंस, एंड म्यूटाजेंस कैन बी of many kinds. It may be chemicals, or it may be the physical factors, or it may be the radiations. Here you can see in this diagram UV radiations and X-ray, these cause mutations. Then chemicals like smoking contain mutagenic substances, nitrate and nitrite preservatives, these are also cause mutations. Then benzoyl peroxide, which is common ingredient in many cosmetics, that is also a kind of mutagen. Then viruses also act as mutagens, like HPV, human papilloma virus, which is responsible for causing sexually transmitted diseases, and Helicobacter pylori, which is a bacteria, and this spread through the contaminated food. This is responsible for causing mutations. Now next, pedigree analysis. It is the analysis of traits in several generations of families in the form of family history tree, and inheritance of the particular trait is represented in the family tree over generations. And the symbols which we use for pedigree analysis are the square. When the square is used, it is representing male, and if it is colored or shaded, this means affected male. Similarly for circle, female, if it is shaded or colored, then it is affected female. If this is in the form of, इसको square को अगर हम थोड़ा tilt कर देंगे बेटे, तो it will be the sex unspecified individual है, but it is not known whether it is male or female. Then अगर आप एक square और एक circle के बीच में एक line draw कर देते हैं, उनको join करते हैं by drawing a line that is indicating mating, that these are husband wife. If there are two lines, this means marriage is between the cousins, or we can say between relatives. Then next जो symbol है, that symbol is representing a family. Here father and mother, बीच में mating की line है, means they are husband wife. और नीचे बेटे एक circle और एक box है which is representing that this couple has two kids, one is daughter and one is son. Next, parents with male child, but this male child is affected. Then 5 unaffected offsprings. अगर हमें ये नहीं पता वो offsprings boy है, male है या female है, then we will use this symbol and the number is written between this box, that 5 unaffected offsprings are there. Now what is the significance of pedigree analysis? Pedigree analysis help in genetic counseling, and pedigree analysis help in genetic counseling. It helps to know whether this particular genetic disorder will travel. If a couple go for genetic counseling and want to ask whether the genetic disorder will pass on to next generations or not, or what is the probability of its passing, they can be consulted, their family, this pedigree analysis can be done, and accordingly the result can be given to them, that what is the percentage of transfer of this disease from the parents to offspring. Therefore, pedigree analysis help to know the trait of inheritance for a particular trait, and also know whether the trait is getting inherited or not. It is a strong tool in human genetics which help to predict the pattern of inheritance of trait, and this tool can be used for genetic counseling also. Here in this diagram, a couple is shown to you. This circle is representing female, box male, and this box is colored indicating the male is affected. Then this couple has 5 kids, out of which 3 are boys. This box is representing boy, and 2 are girls. These 2 girls are affected. Then this affected girl got married to a normal male, and this couple has 5 kids, out of which 3 are male, and out of these 3 male, 1 is affected and 2 are unaffected, and 2 are daughters. Out of these 2 daughters, 1 is affected and 1 is non-affected. From such chart we can find out whether this disorder is sex linked or autosomal linked. How can this be done? We will do in the next slides. Now genetic disorders mainly categorized into 2 categories, that is Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorders may be autosomal or may be sex linked disorders, whereas Mendelian disorders may be due to the gene mutation in autosomes or may be due to the gene mutations in sex chromosomes. Example of autosomal chromosomal disorder is Down syndrome. Sex linked chromosomal disorder is Klinefelter syndrome. Then autosomal Mendelian disorder is sickle cell anemia, and sex linked Mendelian disorder is hemophilia. We will do details of these disorders in next slides. Mendelian disorders. Mendelian disorders is a type of genetic disorder which primarily result from alteration in one gene, and these are of two types: autosomal recessive disorders and sex-linked recessive disorders. And mainly in this chapter you have to do X-linked, sex chromosome, X-linked recessive disorders. Now, autosomal recessive disorder examples are sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis and muscular dystrophy, whereas sex-linked recessive disorders are hemophilia and color blindness. Now, hemophilia is a sex-linked disorder, and in this disorder the blood clotting cascade is affected. A single protein which is part of the cascade of proteins which is involved in the clotting of blood is affected. In affected individual, a simple cut will result in non-stop bleeding. Here the heterozygous female act as carrier. What it means, here you can see in this diagram, female has two X chromosomes and male have single X chromosome. If the X chromosome is affected in male, the male will be diseased. But if one of the X chromosome is affected in female, that female will be a carrier. Therefore, it is written that heterozygous female is a carrier of the disease, and this disease from the carrier female will pass on to the son of this female. How is it possible? Here भी मैं आपको क्रॉस में बेटे explain करती हूँ. And possibility of females becoming hemophilic is very rare. Here you can see in this cross, the carrier female is married to a hemophilic man. Hemophilic man is represented by X, Y और X के ऊपर हमने H लिखा है, which is denoting that this X chromosome is affected, ये hemophilic है. And in carrier woman हमने एक X बिना H के लिखा है और एक X H के साथ. Now gametes will be formed in male and female body. Male body में जो gametes बनेंगे that will be XH and Y. In female body it will be X and XH. अब आप इसका जब पुनेट स्क्वायर बनाएंगे तो जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है कितने % चांसेस हैं कि इनके सन जो हैं वो हीमोफिलिक होंगे या डॉटर हीमोफिलिक होंगी. तो हीमोफिलिक डॉटर के बेटे और हीमोफिलिक सन के होने के चांसेस 50% है. ये यहाँ पर ये गलत बनाया हुआ है, ये यहाँ पर आएगा बेटे XH XH, तभी ये हीमोफिलिक डॉटर बनेगी. यहाँ देखिए X when fused, this X when fused with this XH, we will get XXH. This XH when fused with this XH, we will get XHXH. This X and this Y, it will form XY. This XH and this Y, it will form XHY. अब X और XH will be the carrier daughter, XY will be the normal son, XH and XH will be the hemophilic daughter जो कि जिसकी डेथ हो जाएगी, XHY will be the hemophilic son. अब ये डिजीज़ जो है फादर से डॉटर में और मदर से सन में जाती है. दिस शोज क्रिस क्रॉस पैटर्न ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस. वाई इज इट सो? बिकॉज मेल जो है वो अपना वाई क्रोमोजोम, वाई सेक्स क्रोमोजोम देता है टू हिज सन. एक्स नहीं कंट्रीब्यूट करता. एक्स जो है मेल का दैट विल गो टू द डॉटर ओनली. तो देयरफॉर अगर मेल का एक्स अफेक्टेड होगा तो दैट डिसऑर्डर विल ट्रेवल टू द डॉटर ओनली, नॉट टू द सन. Now next is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is an autosomal linked recessive disorder, and here it can be transmitted from parents to offspring when both the parents are carrier of the gene. The disease is controlled by single pair of allele, that is HBA and HBS. HBA represent the normal individual. HBS is the carrier of disease, and HBS homozygous condition will show the disease phenotype. What will happen in this sickle cell anemia? In sickle cell anemia, the person will be normally the shape of RBCs is biconcave, and the person who has sickle cell anemia, the shape of RBCs will change to sickle shape because of a point mutation. Here you can see in this diagram DNA having GAG in one strand and CTC in another strand. Whereas in sickle cell anemic person, it will become GTG in one strand and CAC in another strand. In RNA, in case of normal, it will be GAG and it will code for glutamic acid. Whereas in sickle cell anemic patient, due to this point mutation, in RNA it will be GUG and this GUG will code for valine. और इसी पॉइंट म्यूटेशन के कारण से जो आरबीसीज है उनकी जो शेप है दैट विल टर्न इनटू द सिकल शेप. And sickle shape RBCs have less oxygen carrying capacity, due to which the person will be anemic. Now what is the pattern of inheritance of this sickle cell anemia? The heterozygous individual having HbA and HbS will show the normal phenotype, but it will be the carrier of the disease. And the defect is caused due to substitution of glutamic acid by valine at 6th position of beta globin chain of hemoglobin molecule. Hemoglobin molecule में बेटे 2 अल्फा चेन्स होती हैं और 2 बीटा चेन की 6th पोजीशन पर एक पॉइंट म्यूटेशन हो जाती है, जिसके कारण से वहाँ पर अब जो एमिनो एसिड बनेगा वो ग्लूटामिक एसिड नहीं होगा, दैट विल बी वेलिन, और इसके कारण से आरबीसीज की शेप चेंज हो जाएगी. ड्यू टू दिस द म्यूटेंट हीमोग्लोबिन इज फॉर्म्ड. इट विल अंडरगो पॉलीमराइजेशन अंडर लो ऑक्सीजन टेंशन एंड कॉज द चेंज इन द शेप ऑफ आरबीसीज फ्रॉम बाइकनकेव टू इलोंगेटेड सिकल लाइक. नाउ दिस क्रॉस ऑफ सिकल सेल एनीमिक पर्सन्स, हियर द फीमेल इज कैरियर, बोथ आर कैरियर, फीमेल एंड मेल दे आर इन हेट्रोजाइगस स्टेट. अब यहाँ पर हम X नहीं लिखेंगे. क्यों नहीं लिखेंगे बेटा? क्योंकि ये ऑटोजोमल लिंक डिसऑर्डर है. यहाँ आपको मेल और फीमेल देखिए XX और XY से पता चल जाता था कि वो XY मेल है, XX फीमेल है, पर यहाँ पर आप X या Y वर्ड नहीं यूज़ कर रहे बिकॉज ये सेक्स लिंक डिसऑर्डर नहीं है. दिस इज़ अ ऑटोजोमल डिसऑर्डर. तो देयरफॉर फॉर द कैरियर individual it will be written as HbS HbA, over here HbS HbA. Gametes formed will be HbS comma HbA. Now how many of what is the probability of sickle cell anemic person? Over here is 1 out of the 4 will be sickle cell anemic and 2 will be the carriers and 1 will be the normal. Now next disorder, which is sex linked disorder, is color blindness. This is also sex linked recessive disorder. Recessive का मतलब है कि अगर दोनों sex linked recessive disorder which is X chromosome linked means कि अगर दोनों X के ऊपर कलर ब्लाइंडनेस वाला जीन होगा, दैट इज C लिखेंगे हम, अगर दोनों X के ऊपर, तभी पर्सन कलर ब्लाइंड है. Here the person is having trouble in identifying the colors like blue, green and red, which are the primary colors. Heterozygous female will be the carrier and can transmit the disease to the son. Here you can see in the cross, carrier mother is there XC, whereas father is color blind XC and Y. Gametes will be formed and the result of this cross will be there will be one carrier girl, one color blind girl, one normal boy and one color blind boy. It is same as that in case of hemophilia. Now next disorder is phenylketonuria, which is an inborn error of metabolism and it is also an autosomal recessive trait. Here the affected individual lack an enzyme. The enzyme name is phenylalanine hydroxylase. This enzyme can convert phenylalanine amino acid into tyrosine. But if the enzyme is defective, the phenylalanine will get accumulated and will convert into phenylpyruvic acid and other derivatives, and it results in mental retardation, alteration in the skin pigmentation. Now next disorder is thalassemia. thalassemia is a autosomal recessive disorder. It is inherited blood disorder wherein the body produces inadequate amount of hemoglobin. As you know, hemoglobin is a protein molecule which carries oxygen in red blood cells. This disorder results destruction in RBCs and thus lead to anemia. Here in thalassemia, there is defect in formation of hemoglobin chain. As you know, hemoglobin consists of 4 chains, 2 alpha chains and 2 beta chains. और अगर ये चेन्स चारों चेन्स फंक्शनल हैं, अच्छे से बनती हैं, तभी हीमोग्लोबिन अच्छे से अपना वर्क कर पाएगा. बट इफ़ देयर इज़ डिफेक्टिव सिंथेसिस ऑफ दीज चेन्स, द सिंथेसिस ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन विल सफ़र एंड ड्यू टू विच थैलासीमिया में टेक प्लेस. It is of 2 types, alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia is caused by the inactivation or loss of alpha globin chain that result in incomplete absence or minimize the production of alpha chain of hemoglobin. और ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि डिलीशन हो जाती है वन और मोर ऑफ द 4 alpha globin genes which is HB1A and HBA2 situated on chromosome number 16, whereas beta thalassemia is caused by inactivation of beta globin gene and it is controlled by a single gene HBB which is located on chromosome number 11. Now chromosomal disorders, these are the disorders which are caused due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. Here you will study 2 phenomena, where first is aneuploidy and other one is polyploidy. What is aneuploidy? Aneuploidy is failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division and this result in gain or loss of chromosome, whereas polyploidy is failure of cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is division of cytoplasm after the telophase stage of cell division and this result in increase in whole set of chromosome in an organism. Polyploidy example is polyploidy can be easily seen in wheat where the triploid or hexaploid varieties are found. Now due to aneuploidy many diseases can take place like Down syndrome. Down syndrome take place due to gain of extra copy of chromosome number 21, or it is also known as trisomy of chromosome number 21. It was first described by Langdon Down in 1866. Here what are the symptoms of affected individual? Affected individual is short in height, having round head, furrowed tongue and partially open mouth. Then broad palm with characteristic palm crease, then physical, psychomotor and mental development is retarded. Next disorder is Turner syndrome. In Turner syndrome, there is loss of X chromosome in human females. The females in having 44 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes, that is two X chromosomes. But in Turner syndrome, the total number of chromosomes will be 45, 44 will be autosomes and 1 X chromosomes will be there. So therefore, total number of chromosomes will be 45 in the female suffering from Turner syndrome. What are the symptoms of this disorder? Such females are sterile because their ovaries are rudimentary. There is lack of secondary sexual character and they have short stature, having webbed neck. Next disorder is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome occurs due to the presence of additional copy of X chromosome, due to which the karyotype will be 47, means 44 autosomes plus 3 sex chromosomes, so total 47, 44 plus XXY. Now what are the symptoms of these individuals? These individuals will have overall masculine development, but they have feminine features also. They are sterile individuals and the major main characteristic is gynecomastia, that is development of breast in individuals having Klinefelter syndrome. That's all for today. Let's recapitulate that what we have done today. We have done mutations, which is alteration in sequence of DNA and its types like point mutation and frame shift mutation. In point mutation, there is change in base pair, one base pair, whereas in frame shift mutation take place due to addition, or we can say insertion or deletion of a base pair. Then we have done pedigree analysis, which is the analysis of family history in the form of family tree to find out whether the individuals or the family suffering from the genetic disorders can pass these disorders to the next generation or not. Then we have done genetic disorders, which are mainly categorized into Mendelian and chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders are the disorders which follow the Mendelian laws of inheritance. And here we have done mainly two types of Mendelian disorders, sex-linked Mendelian disorders and autosomal recessive-linked Mendelian disorders. In autosomal Mendelian disorders, autosomal recessive Mendelian disorders, we have done thalassemia, phenylketonuria, which is an inborn error of metabolism. Then we have done sickle cell anemia. Whereas in sex-linked recessive disorders, we have done color blindness and hemophilia. Then we have done chromosomal disorders, in which three major types of disorders we have done. One is Down syndrome, which take place due to trisomy of 21st chromosome. Then Turner syndrome, due to lack of one of the X chromosome. And then Klinefelter syndrome, additional copy of X chromosome is there. That's all for today, students. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.